All right, this is homework practice 9-10. We are looking for use structure. So Sam needs to paint his taxi number on his taxi. His number is the next greatest number in the pattern. What is Sam's taxi number? So first of all, we need to sort the numbers on here. So the students have, again, already practiced this in class, so they should be pretty good with what they need to do. We've got the taxi numbers of 405, 415, 410, 400, and a mystery number. So what we want to do is sort them from least to greatest. We've got 400 over here. We've got 405 is going to come next, 410, and 415. So then we're going to try and look for the patterns. We are adding by 5 each time. So the next number over here, if this is 400, 405, 410, 415, the next one's going to be 420 on there because that's the pattern we are adding by. So we've got a bunch of teddy bears here. James wants to sort the numbers on his teddy bears from greatest to least. Now up here we did least to greatest. We're going to flip-flop in between that, so the students need to be prepared for which way we're going to be aligning the numbers. After he sorts the numbers, which number would come next? So first we need to sort the numbers. So we've got 666, 76, 86, 56, and something else. So we need to look, all the numbers in the hundreds place are the same, so we're going to go to the tens place, and we're going from greatest to least. So we have a 6 here in the tens, a 7 in the tens, an 8 here in the tens, and a 5 here in the tens. So we know our 8 is going to be the largest number. So we're going to put 686. Again, we're going greatest, latest, so 8. So 676. Our next one, 666. And then 656. Look for the pattern and name the pattern rule. So we are decreasing by 10 each time. Okay. Decrease by 10 or subtract 10 each time. Okay, what is the next number in the pattern? So we're going to pretend there's another one over here. This is our mystery number bear. So we go down by 10, 656 minus 10 would be 646. So you can write 646 here for our pattern. Okay, let's head to the back page here and take a look. This is a performance assessment. This sees how well the students are able to apply their information. So Jack and Sarah joined the purple team for their bike race. Their bike numbers will be the next 2 greater numbers in the pattern. Help them find their bike numbers. So first we need to list the bike numbers from least to greatest. So we need to take a look at our pattern here. We've got 146, 116, 56. So just by looking at it, we know the numbers in the hundreds place are all ones and the ones place are all 6 digits. So we're doing from least to greatest. So we need to find the smallest. We've got 46, 16, 56, 36, 26. So 116 is going to be the least. The next one is going to be 126. The next one's going to be 136 because we can see we are adding by 10 each time. After 136, we're going to have 146 and 156. So now it says look for a pattern and name the pattern rule. Well, we're going to add or increase by 10 each time. And then what are Jack and Sarah's bike numbers? Well, we know those are the next 2 greatest, so we have to think of the next 2 numbers that would come after here. We're going to add 10, 156 plus 10 is 166 plus 10 is 176. Okay, number 4. Suppose new bike numbers are given in decreasing order. Then what numbers would Jack and Sarah be given? So we're going to pretend the highest numbers are here, and it's going down by 10 each time. So if we have 116 minus 10 is going to be 106, will be the next number. And then 106 minus 10. So I'm going to circle that. 106 minus 10 equals 96. So those are our next two digits. It says explain. I would just write down I subtracted 10 from each number and keep it simple.